For decades, cybersecurity architecture rested on the velocity gap between automated defense and human attack. Defensive systems maintained a decisive speed advantage by responding to threats in milliseconds. Human adversaries were historically constrained by cognitive latency. Attackers required hours or days to parse network maps, analyze kernel versions, and script privilege escalation vectors. In mid-2026, forensic investigations conducted by Hunt.io, Bob Diachenko, and Palo Alto Networks documented an intrusion that permanently closed this temporal gap. The operation targeted the core IT infrastructure of Thailand's Ministry of Finance, gaining access to centralized physical databases and cross-border clearance hubs. Forensic evidence identified the intruder as a self-governing AI agent, executing the entire multi-stage operation without a human in the loop. In military cybernetic doctrine, operational superiority is governed by the OODA loop: observe, orient, decide, and act. Historically, blue teams held the structural advantage because automated security orchestration playbooks executed containment in milliseconds, while human red teams took hours to parse system outputs. The attackers inside the Thai Ministry of Finance deployed an autonomous agent named Hermes, running in an unrestricted configuration designated as YOLO mode. This report details the quantitative impact of that autonomy. The industry average mean time to compromise is 18 days. The Hermes agent compressed that lifecycle to 42 minutes. Within that 42-minute window, the agent processed 14,000 lines of system telemetry and independently identified 4 distinct paths for kernel privilege escalation to stage the implant. By running reasoning models natively inside the target terminal, the adversary's OODA loop moved at sub-second token generation intervals, rendering human-driven defense ineffective. Classical malware, from the modular architecture of Stuxnet to modern ransomware, operates deterministically. It follows rigid, pre-compiled control flow graphs. If a deterministic script encounters an unanticipated firewall rule or a patched operating system configuration, the exploit fails or throws an exception that triggers security alarms. Agentic cyberweapons operate probabilistically. They utilize natural language reasoning to iteratively evaluate network defenses, adapting logic in real time. This enables zero-shot semantic exploitation. When encountering an access-denied error, its chain-of-thought mechanism dynamically constructs a tailored shell script. Because the agent generates unique Bash and Python one-liners for every command, traditional endpoint detection agents relying on known command line signatures are rendered blind. This table contrasts the operational footprints. While classical campaigns rely on predictable execution signatures, agentic weapons use contextual, polymorphic scripts that appear identical to the commands of a legitimate system administrator. Heuristic engines looking for abnormal execution velocity cannot catch an agent that intelligently mimics the cadence and legitimate tools of a human engineer. In July 2026, an operational misconfiguration exposed the internal mechanics of this campaign. Researchers identified an unsecured staging server containing unredacted operational transcripts and raw JSON command logs. These logs confirmed that the threat actors disabled all supervisory guardrails. In YOLO mode, the agent is granted direct execution privileges within the host operating system without requiring human confirmation. This raw Python execution loop recovered from the attackers defines how Hermes parses terminal telemetry. The prompt commands the language model to ingest the LinPS diagnostic stream and immediately synthesize a root exploitation script. Forensic analysis revealed that the agent used these scripts to execute memory dumping routines, extracting unencrypted OpenSSH keys and web session cookies from active process memory. Bridging a frontier reasoning model directly to terminal output creates an autonomous, self-correcting escalation engine that operates continuously until administrative privileges are achieved. Attribution by Unit 42 connected this deployment to Chinese-speaking threat actors who utilized an ingeniously integrated 4-part offensive stack. The core cognitive brain utilized DeepSeek reasoning models. The agent routed all terminal output and process tables to the LLM to formulate next-step commands. For command and control, the attackers used Telegram bot API webhooks. The agent autonomously transmitted real-time status updates and exfiltrated credentials to a private Telegram channel. To ensure persistence, the agent deployed a custom Go-based backdoor dubbed Hades. This implant utilized mutual TLS encryption to maintain a stealthy connection to attacker-controlled nodes. This 5-phase breakdown tracks the operation from external reconnaissance to the final exfiltration of data from Hadoop clusters and internal LDAP directories. Decompilation of the Hades payload revealed native bindings for the Hermes agent. This allows the backdoor to spawn secondary autonomous subagents, enabling a single infection to propagate across isolated internal VLANs as an autonomous swarm. The breach of Thailand's Ministry of Finance is a visible milestone in a broader transition toward automated, scalable, agentic architectures. Strategic intelligence from Visa Perk recorded a 450% surge in dark web references to weaponized AI agents. Simultaneously, 29 million user credentials have been compromised globally due to insecure management of authentication tokens within AI context windows. This crisis is driven by the rapid adoption of the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, the open standard designed for data exchange between AI agents and external tools. Early MCP implementations lacked granular role-based access controls. Developers exposed these endpoints on public ports for debugging, allowing automated scrapers to harvest over 24,000 unique API keys and database connection strings. Gartner now forecasts that over 40% of agentic AI projects in enterprise production will be canceled or fail before 2028. These failures are not caused by model limitations, but by the inability to meet legal and compliance requirements. Enterprises cannot guarantee control when agents enter unconstrained recursive loops. In highly regulated sectors, an unconstrained agent is a catastrophic liability. Autonomy and accountability are inversely related. As an agent's freedom to formulate non-deterministic decisions increases, the ability to audit those actions approaches zero. Surviving this environment requires a shift from unrestricted autonomy towards scoped and governed architectures. Organizations must engineer zero-trust guardrails directly into their orchestration fabric. First, multi-step workflows must be deconstructed into isolated, single-purpose microagents. Restricting an agent to a narrow operational scope prevents a single prompt injection from compromising the entire infrastructure. This Python middleware script establishes a zero-trust agent gateway using Pydantic models to strictly govern interactions with high-stakes resources. The gateway enforces mandatory human-in-the-loop checkpoints. If an agent attempts a financial disbursement, the system requires human sign-off and returns a blocked status. Compliance teams must also capture immutable decision lineage. This allows a security operations center to reconstruct the exact causal reasoning chain behind an agent's action months after execution. To manage costs and risks, automated dynamic circuit breakers must monitor tool call velocity. If an agent exhibits anomalous reasoning or high token consumption, the system instantly severs its API connectivity to halt the attack. For critical infrastructure, organizations must enforce multi-signature cryptographic authorization, where the agent's proposed transaction requires digital signatures from 2 separate human supervisors. Future defense requires autonomous counter-agent grids. These defensive agents act as sentinels, continuously interrogating active memory segments to entrap offensive agents before lateral movement can occur. The sprint to deploy autonomous agents has been replaced by a requirement for verifiable governance. Organizations must now engineer zero-trust containment into the core of their AI orchestration fabric to ensure operational control.